Hello everyone. In this new episode of No Sweet Talk, we are going to learn about a challenge. Yes, a challenge of not consuming sugar or anything that contains sugar. Dr. Shivangi Manek, a postgraduate student of pediatric and preventive dentistry, is going to present findings of an interesting research that she's published, and also she's won an award for this research at a state level competition. And it's about a 2-week sugar challenge. So let us listen to Dr. Shivangi.
In the previous episodes of No Sweet Talk, we have understood one thing. Any substance, whether it is sugar, tobacco, in excess is not good for our health. After having this knowledge, is it that easy to change? Do we have that motivation inside us that we can change our behavior from year to year in a minute? Well, is it really that the knowledge is going to affect so much? In order to test all of this, we carried out one study. It is known as the 2-week sugar challenge, wherein 30 families were engaged. These 30 families were given a small task. A task of having no sugar in the form of biscuits, cereals, milk additives such as Bonvita, Complan, Pediasure, etc., pedas, and etc. food items which are displayed in the sugar meter are not to be consumed in these 2 weeks. Also, they were educated about the amount of sugar which the WHO has actually recommended and that they were not supposed to consume it for 2 weeks. How did they record it? We gave them a diet diary which had a tick mark and a cross mark. If the family could completely adhere to the challenge for that day, they had to circle the tick mark. If they could not, even one family member could not, then they had to circle the cross mark and mention which food item was consumed. After 1 week, they were given a reminder to successfully and properly fill the diet diary. After 2 weeks, we got the diet diaries back from the 30 families and we sat down to analyze the results. Our results showed that not even one single family as a whole could adhere to the challenge completely. And at an individual level, adults as well as children showed a mean average of 3 days wherein they could adhere to the challenge. So which was the actually food product which was consumed and they could not adhere to the challenge because of that was milk additives. Milk additives such as rose syrup, any syrupy juices or sweet syrups, Pediasure, Bonvita, Complan, etc. From this study, we could understand one thing. They all were given knowledge, but according to the knowledge attitude behavior model, it says that knowledge causes a change in attitude which further causes a change in behavior. But solely knowledge is not enough. They needed an internal motivation, an internal zeal inside them which would drive them to change their behavior. We had educated them that this is good for you and this is not, but that is not enough. So if you decide to change yourself, you need to get up, motivate yourself so that you change from something that you are now to something that you'll be better. So eat right and stay fit.